Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix call drops randomly in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. If you're using Galaxy Z Flip 4 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to call anyone, your call suddenly drops. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have no cellular signal here. You can see if your SIM signals are too low or too weak, in this case, I have some low fish signals on my SIM too, so I'm unable to make a call with these signals. So you have to make sure that you have signals. If you have no signal but you're still facing the same issues, you can go ahead to your settings and try to reset your mobile network settings. But before you do that, I recommend you how to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on reset, and then click on reset icon again, and your phone will be restarted. Now once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just keep a long press on your phone app, click on this info button or eye icon here, just scroll down, go to storage, and try to clear cache. You can also try to clear data off your phone app, and once you have done, just go back and retry to make a call, and this time your issue must have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go to settings here, scroll down, go to network management, go to reset here, click on reset mobile network settings, select your SIM with which you're facing the issue, or you can select with SIM 1 or SIM 2, just select the SIM, click on reset settings, click on reset again, it will reset your mobile network settings. So once you have done this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.